In this video, we're going to uncover the life of Archbishop Marcel Lefebvre. Archbishop Lefebvre is one of the most fascinating characters of the 20th century. Missionary priest, Archbishop of Dakarya, delegate apostolic, founder of the Society of St. Pius X, Archbishop Lefebvre still intrigues a lot of Catholics for his role and work, especially during and after the Second Vatican Council. Who was Archbishop Marcel Lefebvre? Marcel Lefebvre, founder of the Priestly Society of St. Pius X, was born on November 29, 1905, in the northern French town of Tourcoing. The third of 8 children, Marcel grew up under the supervision of his devout Catholic parents, René and Gabrielle, who owned a local textile factory. Marcel, drawn to the priesthood from his youth, entered the French seminary in Rome at the age of 18. 6 years later, he was ordained a priest. Shortly thereafter, he completed his doctorate in philosophy and theology and began pastoral work within the Diocese of Lille. Father Lefebvre's older brother, a missionary of the Holy Ghost Fathers, urged the new priest to join him in Gabon, Africa. Father Lefebvre eventually acquiesced and joined the Holy Ghost Fathers in 1932. He was immediately sent to Gabon, first as a seminary professor, but was soon promoted to rector. Marcel Lefebvre, after these early years, was entrusted with increasingly important responsibilities. He was called back to France and made rector of a seminary in Mortain. In 1947, Pope Pius XII appointed him apostolic vicar of Dakarya and was thus consecrated a bishop. The following year, the Pope further honored Bishop Lefebvre by naming him apostolic delegate to French Africa, a vast territory covering nearly half of the continent, and granting him the title of Archbishop. Pope John XXIII, like his predecessor, believed that Archbishop Lefebvre's theological expertise, missionary experience, and background in education were of an exceptionally rare quality. The Pope thus appointed him to the preparatory committee of the Second Vatican Council, a body charged with setting the agenda of the upcoming and much anticipated ecumenical council. The Holy Ghost Fathers were also quite impressed with the Archbishop's work, and at their General Chapter of 1962, elected him Superior General.